And the stream is up. Uh, I'm just gonna hope it's up. Yeah, it says it's on. So, back at it, making a boss. I did some art for the thing. Drew up some stuff in Sprite. We're not concerned about that at the moment. Because phase 1 is pretty much just finished. Obviously it needs work. Like, a lot of work. I accidentally dodged somehow. But we have something that works and functions as it functions as gameplay, which is all I really need it to do. Uh, yeah. Okay, we keep dodging, whip, whip, cool, bonk, bonk, and we win. But that is cool, very epic. I need the boss to do. I need it to have a reference to the health script. Call it health. Uh, public float health. Actually, what is health int? No, it's a float. Public float health. We'll call it phase 2 threshold. And we'll set it to like 3. No, we'll set it to like 250. I mean, it doesn't really matter because I'll change it later. But, stop. But, man, music is pretty cool. Right, what do I need to do? I need to have it go to update, check if health, if health is less than phase 2 threshold. Oh, sorry, health dot health. Dude, if health dot health is less than phase 2 threshold, make that less than or equal than, we will trigger a bool that'll just be named in phase 2. Set it to false by default. When this happens, we will set it to we'll set it to true, and to, I guess, just stop this from triggering constantly, which I think might enhance, or I think this will help performance. I'm not sure though. Probably not. Then we just do how many attacks? I don't remember what the attacks were supposed to be. Right, no, I remember now. There was the walls, and then there was the segmented attack. So yeah, so what? Okay, we're gonna just reuse this. Do if is, in phase 2. Then we'll just do an else. Copy this over here. Then put both of these in their respective else containers. Because I'm just going to reuse the same select attack function and just have it do something different. Yeah. We don't need attack 1. Because it'll just go ahead and finish it. And then enter phase 2. We don't need spawn attack. We don't need attack 2. We don't need spawn attack 2. All of that can just be thrown away. Lasers? Yeah, well, I guess lasers are all is equal to that. And we're just gonna stick all of this in a region called Phase 1 attacks. Hashtag end region. I don't normally use regions that much, but I feel like it'll just make it easier for me to show stuff. Possibly. I guess I need to put the if in phase 2 thing here with an else here. Wait, what is attack? Ah, God. What is attack 2 again? Why is that? Yeah, attack 2 is an eye enumerator. So it's not triggering? But it is triggering. Possibly? I'll just put this as a start coroutine. Bop! There we go. Hopefully that just fixes it. There we go. If lasers in progress, and is in phase 2 is that. Right. So whoops. Nope, that's fine. Yeah, then we can just put that back there. So the 2 attacks we need. Actually, what we need is public game object. Is it a game object? I don't remember. Yeah, we need to activate these spikes. So we need to get a reference to the game object, call it spikes. Then once this happens down here, spikes dot set active true, which now means when we finish or they get the boss below 100 health, spikes will pop up, which is what we want. What is this? Huh. Interesting. I'm looking at something on YouTube. Interesting. Right, so we need to set spikes to true. Everything else should work, theoretically. Yeah. So we need to put boss health. We need to set spikes to their thing. We need to go to awake, and then just do a health is equal to get component health, which then just snaps the health for us, which means I can take this away from being public, which is Epic. Yeah. Let's give him 600 health. No, we'll do 500. 550. Phase 2. Let's do phase 2 threshold being 200. Make you 250. Yeah, that'll work. Now we're just gonna have to see if this works. Bonk. Bonk. Bonk, 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 bonk. Seems like it's... Oh, okay. I think it crashed. I think I crashed Unity. That's not good. Oh, it's just not working, is it? Oh no, there it goes. We're gonna go to a commercial break while I fix Unity because I crashed it somehow. Yeah, we're just gonna task manager it, and then we're gonna bring it back up. What a riveting stream. Okay, so I believe what happened is that it triggered the coroutine that spawns attack 2 every frame, which then crashed it. We are back. Nope, that's the wrong thing. There we go. We are back from our commercial break. Which means I need to figure out how to stop that. So what happens is it starts an attack, then it does this, does this, does this. Yeah, triggers it once, triggers it once, triggers it once. We don't need this. Yeah, I don't think we even need that. So I basically just deleted the... I don't actually know what I did. I deleted the part of the code that ran at every frame. So it'll maybe work now. Smack. Oh, yeah, it works. Smack, smack, ow. Smack, 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 smack. I walked into the laser. That's incredible. The laser is no longer spinning. Why isn't the laser spinning? That's weird. Oh. I set the laser to only spin when it was in phase 2. That's, that's funny. It does that. I smack it. Give it a good smack. Give it a nice smack. Hey, it works now. Now we just need to check if spikes work. Bonk. Bonk, bonk. Bonk. Smack him. Smack. Get a good smack in. Let me just, smack. That was a bad spot to be in. I walked into that. Bonk, 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 bonk. Bonk, 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 bonk. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Ah! I feel like it's not working. How many times do I need to smack? I died. I feel like I smacked it a good bit. Wait, where's the boss? Boss. One. One. Give it two. No, not 200. 400 health. Phase 2 threshold, 170. Which are just random numbers that I came up with no other reason for. One, two, one, two. Smack it up. I'm gonna die already. That's crazy. Now we just gotta dodge the lasers for a while. Right. So it didn't spawn spikes, I see. So did this not get... No, it did get activated. Oh, I gave it spikes A. That's not what I wanted to do. I'm stupid. That's... See, I think I think I would be really good at coding if I wasn't just uh really dumb. I feel like I would be far better. Okay. I forgot I clicked the play button somehow. But what the... Did I just not... What happened to my roll? That felt like it was tiny as... Was I hitting the dash button too? I guess I was hitting the dash button too early. That's weird. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 and then spikes through. That feels like a tight jump. Yeah, that feels a little tight. Maybe I can just shrink the colliders a little bit? Because they're on 2 right now. Yeah, so if I just... What, 5? Why is my music so weird? Just like, play the genre I want you to play. My god. It's not that hard. 1.6. And then I want the collider to be... Honestly, that'll work. That shrinks it enough to where it's a little bit smaller. Right. So the second pixel of the spikes will be what actually hurts you, I suppose. Right? Yeah, that seems about right. Cool, 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 cool. Epic. Incredible. Uh, where's this? Oh, this is from first stream stuff. And we do that. This can be deleted. I will save this as a prefab, then delete it. We will move you up. And that's fine for now. We'll need to turn off you. Yes. Do I need any of this? Yes, yes, yes. All coming to my master plan. I forgot my master plan already. That's incredible. What was I even doing? Right, we need to make the 2 attacks. So we need projectile, or we need a new projectile, I suppose. Make it red. Reset its transform. Do this. Make it 14. And then we do this. Give it the good old projectile script that I don't know what it does. It moves up. Serialized field. Vector 2. Move. Dir. Not sir. Dir. Make it equal to vector 2 dot up. Then we just turn you into move dir. Yeah, that worked. And shouldn't break the existing projectiles. Hopefully not, anyway. And we'll just call this Raj B. No, we'll just call it Wall A. Wall Proj. Yay, Wall Proj A. Then we do this. Give it a B. Yeah, then it goes this way, right? Yeah, it goes that way. Then we make both of these 6. Make them both this. Create. Spawn 1A. Actually, 2A. 2B. Then we do this. Then we do -19. We do this. Then we do 19. Then we turn you to boss 1. Give you another empty object. Call it attack 2A. Spawn. And we go back to boss 1. Make a new header. Attack 3. Actually, we'll just do A. Public game object wall Proj A B. Yep. Don't need anything else? Oh, yeah. We need transform. Spawn to A. Spawn to B. And then we go all the way down here to start a new private void. Spawn. Attack to A. Then we do instantiate. Was it wall proj A? Spawn to A. Dot position. Spawn to A. Dot rotation. Copy this over. Spawn to B. And then we do that. Which, should be fine. This should work, but, we want it to go down here, do times attacked, plus plus, yep. And then we do, actually we can just, no, we'll just go if times attacked percent to, the fuck? Why? Stop being a pain for like 2 seconds. If it's even, we do this. Then we do an else. We'll do that later. Then we do this. Times attack, we'll do that. Actually, we don't want it to alternate. We want it to do if times attacked is less than 2. Do this. Else do this. Times attack plus plus. Suppose we want to do the same numerator. Spawn attack to A. No, we just want attack to A. Which will yield return new wait 4 seconds. Wait 1.5 seconds. Spawn attack to A. Then if times attacked is less than 4, start coroutine attack to A. Then we go up here. Do this. We'll just do both of them for now, just so we have a guaranteed chance of it happening. Right. Then we put attack A, attack B, spawn A, spawn B. There we go. And now it'll work. That's not what I wanted to happen. Man, that's kind of difficult. Okay, whatever. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Oops, bonk. There we go. Give him a good smacks. Smack, 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 smack. Ah, why? Okay, that's actually pretty good. What the timing needs to be tweaked. But main problem is I need to disable those damn lasers. Where are they? What does lasers do? Start lasers? Does that? Lasers in progress? Where's lasers in progress? This. What is this? Where? It's in here. Hmm. So it invokes start lasers. Okay, well we'll do if not in phase 2. Do this. Should now stop the lasers from doing their thing in phase 2. One, two, three. Up, 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 up. Okay. Okay, so that somehow broke the other thing, which doesn't even make that much sense. Uh, sure, we'll go over here and turn lasers. Or do I need to turn pivot? Is it pivot B? Yeah, this one's pivot B. So pivot B dot set active. Dot set active. False. Which should now stop the lasers from being stupid. And also should hopefully not break the other thing that I was not in any way tied to. So I don't even know why it broke that. Other than it must have just felt like it. How'd that hit me? What even hit me? Let's get like, what is happening? There you go. Okay. Where, okay, so it's not selecting the next attack, which is unfortunate. I guess I forgot to add that. How much health did I have left? 90. Right. So I need it to... Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Sure, and then we'll do an else. Wait. Yeah, an else invoke name of attack delay. Yeah, that should work. Which should now put some functionality into phase 2. Yeah. Yeah, it's not really possible to close that in. Bump, pop, pop, smack, pop, smack, 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 smack. Oh, and now it starts to... Mother! Did it never... No, it never does it? Times attack is equal to 0. Alright. Also, I want to change how lasers work from... Actually, that would just be 178. Sure. Because they kind of... The lasers go on for, like, a long time. And I'm not a huge fan of it. So now it should only do 4 loops? Yeah. Yep, then it spawns that. It does another phase 1 attack for some reason. Then, yeah, then does this. Does this. Does this. Yay, I winded it. I want to change... Where is it? If health text is not equal to null, then do this so I stop getting spammed with errors every time I enter the main menu. Or I guess what's the base? Whatever. And now... Right, now we need to do the next attack. Which I suppose I could use the sewer grates that I put on the floor not too long ago and have something pop out here. And maybe take like a... Yeah, have maybe something come out of the pipe and then slam onto the ground. Ooh, okay. Yeah, so we'll do spawn 2, spawn 3A. Yeah, we'll do 3A. Right. So we do this. Do this. Put you here. Push you here. Both of you. Go here. Go here. And then we have a spawn point on every single one of these grates. Right. So what I want to do is spawn something here that then goes upwards. which I think for the most part is just going to be a 3x3 area. I think would, or I could have like a tentacle or something pop out, swipe, and then go back in. Ooh, that's actually a pretty nice idea. I like that idea. I have just enough space. Actually, I could just use you as an example. So if it so if it appears, yeah, then it'll just, I guess for the most part we can just do this. And then it'll just swipe, then fade. So it'll swipe, fade, swipe, disappear, swipe, disappear. Okay, I like that idea. For the most part, that'll probably just be animation, though. So 3A-2, 3A-1, 3A-3, 3A-4. Then we do 3B-1, 3B-2, 3B-3, 3B-4, and then the same thing for our C, C2, C3, and C4. Whoops, C4. And all this happens, and all these things need to go into U. We need attack 2B. Have all this junk get shoved in here. Right. Wait, now we need boss 1. Go to the script. We need to make a new header. I could just do and not in phase 2. Actually, I don't even think I need this anymore. Yeah, so we make a new header, which is just 2B, which is public, not spotlight pyramid shape. I don't know why the hell that would be what I wanted. Gotta love autocorrect. Public, spawn 3C. Yes, spawn 3A. Bop, bop. Then we do B, C. Then we just do a public. What would it be? Public, game object, attack 3A. I don't know. I'm gonna have to sort through all this code later. That'll be fun. I'll do that off stream though. Which now we need where I need... Yeah. We need a private void spawn. Hey, wait a minute. Bring that back. There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. Rare time autocorrect being useful. Enumerator. Attack to B. Yield. Return. New. Wait. 4 seconds. 1. Spawn. Attack to B. If times attacked is less than 3, spawn attack. No, if it's this, then we start coroutine. Oh yeah, attack to B. Which now this can be slapped right up. Where? Right here. Yeah, so that can just be slapped right there. Huh. So we do that. We need to make it spawn attacks now, so I'm just going to make a for int I equal to 0, I less than... How many do I need? Less than 3? Less than 4. Less than 3. We'll do less than 3 for now. I plus plus. Yeah, I plus plus. We want it to instantiate. What is it? Attack 3A. Spawn 3? Yeah, spawn 3A. I dot position. Well, hold up. Let me just... Don't mind me. We're just gonna... Pop, pop, pop. Dot position. Spawn 3A. I dot position. Nope, dot rotation is what we want. And then I'll spawn 4 projectiles and all 4 grates. Then we just repeat this if times attacked is equal to 0. Do this. Else if times attacked is equal to 1, do this. Then another else, which we want it to do the same thing it has been doing, but to change attack 3A to B to C. Wait. Nope, you're right. I do that. I change this to B, then to C, then to copy, then to paste. And that does that. Then times attacked is equal to 0. And then we do else times attacked is equal to 0. Right, we don't make that 0, we add that. Then we... Wait, where is it? Way up here? Where is it? Oh, it's right up here. Right, it was right here. I'm intelligent. What is this? Just play songs that I know. What is wrong with you, YouTube? Be normal. Anyway, what do I need? I need to have it invoke name of select attack the link. And now I need to. Right, these don't even have colliders on them. That's crazy. Box collider is trigger. Tag it as danger. Add a rigid body. Well, and I can never shoot. Wait, what? Yeah, I need to do that. Right. Then we do. So set you to 5. Alright, then we just remove the projectile part. Make it sound original prefab. Then we get to do the fun process of slowly dragging in each of these transforms. Yay! Yippee! Stop it. God, now I have to go do that. God. I am so close to just going to Unreal. My God. Unity is on thin ice. Bonk, 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 bonk. Bonk, 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 bonk. Bonk, 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 bonk. Ah. Oh. Bonk, 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 bonk. Ah. Oh. Interesting. That doesn't spawn all of them. So we need to do this? No, we need to add it to, we need to make it 4. That's what we need to do. Don't be stupid. Actually, they also never disappear. I just thought of that. I guess I give, no, I give it the projectile script. No, I don't. Oh, yeah, I guess I do. Give it the projectile script. Give it a movement of 0. Give it a movement direction of 0. Then we make a new thing. Call it die time. That's to 30. Change this to die time. Yeah, then we go back to you. Then we go to you. And we change you. So like 2.5 seconds. No, screw it. We'll go a full 3 seconds between spawns. It's alright. I'll be fine. Stuck inside. Okay. Now we speedrun to phase 2, and it works. First try. Cool. Ah. What? Oh, did I miss? I did. I misdid them, didn't I? That's gonna be real unfortunate. I certainly did. God. This is 3C-1. This is B-2. Now let's see. This one is B4 probably. Yeah. And this is C4. No, C3. Pop, pop, pop. Which get A, all in the middle. B, second ring. C, outer ring. Which means I get to do the slow process of moving these again. Maybe not, though. Maybe I can just remove C, add 2 and 4. Get to that. No, we want C4. We don't want B4. We want C3. We don't want B2. We want C1. Now it'll work. First try. Right? First try. Part 3. Nice. Speedrun. Speedrun. Right? Okay, this is a little boring. It's only doing one attack. The attack is kind of slow. Oh my god. Is the other attack now broken for some reason? Why would it be broken? It has no reason to be broken. I swear, is it broken? There's no reason it should be broken. Ow. Hello? Any day now. Nope. No, it's just not gonna... It's not gonna do it, is it? It's not gonna do it. It's just gonna refuse to do the one attack. It's just gonna do the same thing over and over again. Why? Oh, I think I know why. It's because... Oh, it wouldn't be that. Would it? What does this? Selects attack, which selecting an attack should have a random chance between attack 2B and 2A. Yes. Is 2A doing something weird that I don't know about? No, it's 2A is doing its job. It's just never showing up. Was I just getting really unlucky, or are you broken? Ah. So it's broken? Why would it be broken? I didn't do anything. That's stupid. Why the hell is it broken? Okay, I'll just put debugs in the... God, just love coding, don't you? 1, 2. Because it's only doing attack 2 for some reason, instead of phase 2 attack 1. Apparently I can't outdamage the damn thing. Thing's irritating me a lot. Oh, and now you're gonna work? Cool. Ah, that's such pain that it just... Then it only did attack 1 that time. Is it never selecting an attack? Is that what's happening? Because that would be stupid. That'd be real stupid. And would probably piss me off. Alright, we're gonna see if it's selecting a new attack, because if it's not, that's gonna send me over the edge. Alright. Okay. Okay, so it did select an attack. It just didn't select an attack. Or a new attack. Okay, I'm just gonna sit in phase 2 for a while to see if I get both attacks, because it's not doing both attacks. Okay, it's doing this attack. Ow. Why is it selecting an attack there? Why is it selecting an attack there now? Do I have to set this to 3? Because it still hasn't done both attacks in the same run. Damn, that's really hard to dodge. I'm just gonna give myself a bunch of health for a minute. Because I need to actually test if it's gonna work. So far, it's only doing the same attack over and over again. Yeah, it's still only doing the same attack. Is it just my being really unlucky, or is it just not working? Uh, why wouldn't it be working? It seems stupid. Because all it's doing is setting times attack. That's like all it's doing. Do I need to, for some reason, put it down here? Okay, I'll just do that. See if this changes something, which it shouldn't. If times tact is greater than 3. Do this. Alright, we'll see if it works now. Oh, I'm back. Who would have known? Is it broken in phase 1 too? It is broken in phase 1. No, it's not. Why does the same function not work in one phase but does work in the other? Because it seems to be pretty 50 on this phase. I don't know why it doesn't do anything on the other phase. Unless I have just been astronomically unlucky. Okay, well now it's broken in a completely different way. And now it's starting to eat all my frames. Ah. I'm gonna make it debug.log, but I'm gonna make it print the attack index to see if it's even doing its job. Okay. Yeah, and then it just starts multiplying itself for some reason, which really doesn't make sense at all. I'm gonna move this back over here. So it's just broken in phase 2 for some reason, and it's not properly doing its job. Is it because I'm not using attack index correctly? I guess it is, because it's not randomizing it, is it? And if this works, then I'll be slightly happy, but mostly just annoyed. So am I now just getting unlucky, or is it still broken? Because it seems like it's still broken. No, I guess I was just getting unlucky. So it works. It works. It works! Oh my god, it works. Okay, so that's pretty much all the functionality of the entire game done. Or not the entire game, the first boss of the game done. And it only took all this. God, that is a lot of variables. And I need to add more too. Okay. Uh, so that was a whole ordeal. Okay. Alright. So I'm going to do. I'm going to attempt. Wait a minute. I'm now going to attempt to beat my own game. I need to reset my health back down to 3. Okay, hold on. Before I do this, let me find a good song. Hmm. Okay, fine. I finally found a good song. Jeez. Why does my live stream keep pausing? Stop. Cool. But now we do get to do a first fight. Punk. Stop. I think phase one's difficulty needs to be tuned up. Because, like, there's, like, 4 quadrants of safe spots. Right? We're in phase 2. Alright. Bonk. Crap. That. Actually, we do this. Alright. Pop. 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 And I win. First try. There we go. That's a sign that it's really not hard enough. Which is unfortunate. So, let's make a list. Or I'm going to make a list of things that I need to do. Make phase 2 attacks overlap. So we need to make phase 2 overlap a little bit. And that way it's a bit more difficult. We need to add, what are they called? Telegraphs for each attack. Make attack 1 through 2, 1 and 2, phase 1, make phase 1, attack 1 and 2 difficult, because they're really not. I can just stand inside the egg and completely take 0 damage and get this phase 1 instantly. We need to tweak timings for all attacks. Make lasers alt from up to down, which just means make lasers alternate between spinning counterclockwise and clockwise. Anything else I really need to do in terms of functionality? I don't really think so. I mean, there's tons of more gameplay things I need to do, but in terms of this boss, how long have I been streaming? An hour and 20? Uh, hmm. I could. Okay, I'll go ahead and start doing some of this stuff. Actually, nah, no, I won't. Okay, goodbye.